Hi, my name is Andrea and welcome to my channel, Andrea's Kitchen. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make the best jerk chicken ever. It's easy to make and you can get the ingredients from your local grocery store. This is what the final product looked like, and I paired it with steamed basmati rice and steamed vegetables. The ingredients I used are 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Mrs. Dash seasoning, 1 small piece of ginger cut finely, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 sprigs of green onion. I used a medium tomato, and I used half of a bell pepper red and half of a green bell pepper, as well as 1 medium onion cut finely. I used chicken breast, and I used 1.5 pounds to make this recipe. The jerk seasoning I used was the Walkerswood mild jerk seasoning, and I used 3 tablespoons of it, but you could use less. If you're wanting the flavor but not so much the heat, you could use less definitely to make your dish. And I absolutely enjoyed making this recipe, and as you can see, they're really easy ingredients that you can get at your local store. In this part of the video, I used the seasoning on the chicken breast. So now I'm adding the jerk seasoning. So now I'm adding the regular seasoning, garlic, the ginger, and the green onions. Now I'm adding the tomato to the seasonings. And then I'll add the bell peppers and the onion. I typically use half of those. I leave the other half so I can make some gravy towards the end of making this meal. And then after you've put everything in, you're just going to go ahead, use your tongs, or if you have 2 large spoons, you could just use that to mix it together. Just toss it around. Make sure that the jerk seasoning is nicely incorporated with your seasons. This looks so good. It really does. And if you've not been here before, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell twice so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if there's something that you're thinking of in terms of Jamaican recipes or any dish that you want us to go ahead and try to make, just put it in the comment section, and believe me, I'll take that challenge on. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add more of the jerk seasoning. Right here, I added some more. You can see that the chicken breast is darker because we love our food spicy in my home. So I added more jerk seasoning to it. And I'm tossing it around, making sure everything is incorporated so that we can just enjoy this. And so right here, I'm just making sure that the chicken and the jerk seasoning and the vegetables are properly incorporated. And this is what it looks like. Again, delicious. It was so delicious with steamed rice and steamed vegetables. I use grated carrot and grated cabbage with onions and bell pepper to make the steamed vegetables. And I seasoned it a little bit with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This container is a 9 by 11 inch baking container, and I've had it for a long time. It served me very well. So in this, I'm going to bake the chicken, and I poured a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil to simply coat the bottom of the container, baking container. And I'm going to place the chicken in it. Chicken breasts at times can be a little dry. So I put a 1/2 cup in there to just make sure that it's a little bit juicy. I love chicken breast, but it can be a little dry if you're not careful how to cook it. But this oven should be set at 375 before you put it in to preheat, and you can bake it for 45 minutes or until well done. Here I am putting the chicken in the oven, and it's just a joy to be able to cook for yourself. This is a photo of the last video I did. It was curried chicken and potato. And if you've been enjoying this video so far, there's a link at the bottom of this video, so you can go ahead and take a look at that recipe, and just let me know what you think in the comment section. And once again, this is a live picture of my jerk chicken with steamed rice and steamed vegetables. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. It was really good. You know, I wish I could invite everyone to my home to enjoy this. But thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.